Welcome to Fagor Professional Videos. We're going to give a tutorial on how to use our iCore oven in the Advance range by explaining how to use the mCooking function. mCooking is the manual cooking mode of the Fagor Professional iCore oven, giving the chef access to the configurable cooking modes and parameters. This is the second function available from the bottom menu and displays the cooking modes, steam, mixed, and convection. One of the functions available is preheating, which our iCore oven automatically starts at the desired temperature by regulating the difference in temperature and humidity depending on the cooking mode without requiring the chef's supervision. When working with high temperatures and we wish to switch to cooking modes with lower temperatures, we need to use the cool down function. Always use this function and never put cold water directly into the oven. The cool down function automatically cools the oven down by air to a minimum temperature as low as 45 degrees Celsius. Oven temperature can be controlled in three ways. By turning the wheel or using the temperature toolbar, by using the keyboard, or by pressing the temperature arrows up and down. The oven allows us to cook by time or thermal probe. The time option allows you to set a specific or much longer time limit from 0 to 48 hours or continuous mode. In this particular example, our oven will operate with a set time until cooking finishes. On the other hand, by means of the thermal probe option, cooking can be programmed according to food temperature. This probe function also allows us to cook with up to 3 probes. Access is given to the delta function, which determines food core temperature and automatically regulates the item's temperature depending on the given settings. The humidity toolbar can also be used to set humidity percentage inside the oven. There are 6 humidity levels with different intervals. During cooking, food can be moistened for a specific time at a set interval by pressing this button. The iCore oven has 6 fan speeds. Using the fan at maximum speed will give us deep golden browns and crispy textures, while using it at medium speed, our roasts will be evenly browned. Minimum fan speed is ideal for baking delicate bakery products or pastries. To create recipes to suit each chef's personal tastes, the oven includes an alarm system featuring an audible alarm, an alarm to add liquid, one to stir the food, to cover it, to score the food item, and a warning alarm to remove the tray. Delayed programming allows us to schedule cooking and manage resources more efficiently by specifying cooking start and end times. In contrast, by using the probe, only cooking start time but not cooking end time can be programmed. Our iCore oven also allows us to create and modify manual programs. By pressing the Program Creation button, all necessary stages can be added until the recipe or cooking program are complete. A maximum of 9 stages are available, and warning signals can be set for each one. Once the parameters have been selected for each of the phases, the recipe can be saved by giving it a name, assigning it to a family, and storing all the accessories, ingredients and preparation involved in the process. To find the recipe created, go to Fagor Cooking Center, where all the stages involved are clearly displayed. These stages can be deleted or modified. We can also save the recipe under a different name or modify the existing one. In turn, a summarized table displaying all stages involved in the program can be conveniently accessed, from which we can edit parameters or delete unnecessary steps to modify the recipe or create a new one. We can then save the recipe as we wish.